In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Wistia transcript. If you've already uploaded your video to Wistia, you're just a few clicks away from a clear, time-coded transcript. First, head to your video's media page. This is the page you see when you select a specific video inside your Wistia account. It shows the video player, along with settings and options tailored to that single piece of media. If you're navigating from your main dashboard, open the project that contains your video and click the video thumbnail to land on the media page. Once you're on the media page, look for the Transcript tab. You'll find it below or near the video player, grouped with other options specific to your media. If you don't see the tab right away, make sure you have the right permission level for that project. Some features only appear to users who can edit the video. Also, try expanding or scrolling the options area in case it's collapsed. Now, to generate the transcript, click Generate Transcript. Wistia will automatically create a time-coded transcript for you using speech-to-text technology. This usually starts right away, and the processing time depends on the length and clarity of your audio. You can stay on the page while it works, or navigate elsewhere in your account and come back when it's done. A quick tip to get the best results: the cleaner your audio, the better the automatic transcript. Clear speech, minimal background noise, and consistent volume can significantly improve accuracy. If your video includes multiple speakers, distinct voices, and a steady pace also help. And if your content uses specialized terms or brand names, expect to proofread a bit. Speech-to-text tools can occasionally misinterpret unique words. When the transcript finishes generating, you'll see the text aligned with timestamps that match your video. This makes it much easier for viewers to follow along and for you to reference specific moments later. Take a moment to read through it and ensure everything looks correct. Even small tweaks can improve accessibility and searchability. If you ever don't see the transcript option, double-check that you're on the media page for a video that's fully uploaded and processed. Also verify that you're signed in to the correct workspace and have editing access. For deeper guidance, the Wistia Help Center is a useful resource. And that's it. Open your video's media page, go to the Transcript tab, and click Generate Transcript. With those simple steps, you'll have a time-coded transcript ready to support accessibility, content repurposing, and faster video workflows.